This section is on probability. Probability is the likelihood of the occurrence of an event, and it must be a number between 0 and 1. 0 corresponding to 0%, 1 corresponding to 100%. So an example, I put my name in a hat with two other people's names. One name is randomly chosen from the hat. I have a 1 in 3 chance of my name being chosen. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. So the sample space for the previous example has 3 possible outcomes. Either person number 1 is chosen, person number 2 is chosen, or my name is chosen. For the next questions, it says a single die is rolled. So a standard die has 6 sides and they are labeled 1 through 6. So number 1 says how many outcomes are in the sample space. This would be 6. Number 2 says list the outcomes in the sample space. So the die could either land on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Number 3 says find the probability of rolling, and then part A is a 5. So only one side shows a 5. So this would be a 1 out of 6 chance. A number greater than 3, that would be 4, 5, and 6. So that is 3 numbers out of 6, which reduces to 1/2. Part C says a number greater than 4, that would be 5 and 6. So that is 2 numbers out of 6, which reduces to 1/3. Part D says a number less than 8. Well, all 6 are less than 8, so this will be a 6 out of 6 chance, which reduces to 1, or you could say there's a 100% chance that it's going to be a number less than 8. And then part E says a number greater than 8. None of these numbers are greater than 8, so we have a 0 out of 6 chance, or just 0.